time for round 3 of Doggo World Star. Oh, she's on the ground. 1, 2, 3. Ding, ding, ding. Round 1 goes to Kirsch. All right, break it up. Oh, they're ready for round 2. Round 2. Well, let's get a close up. Well, what's going on? Is she taking a break? Oh my gosh. All right. 1, 2. Oh. 1, 2. Oh, she's back up. Oh, she's running around. All right. Oh, she's already back up. Oh, camera. 1, 2, 3. Ding, ding, ding. Wait, upon reviewing the footage, we found out she needs to take a break. I'm going to pause it until they start. And they're back. They're back in business. Oh, she's on the ground. Oh, she's chasing me. I can barely get to even start the timer. Let me watch out for bombs. Hey, that's not inappropriate for... Oh, okay. That's not inappropriate for YouTube. Looking at the clouds while we're at this cutscene. Issa, how do you feel about this match? So I'm trying to eat poop. How do you feel, Issa? How do you feel about this match? Oh, he's ready. Oh, we're getting really good footage. What's going on? All right, they're taking a break. I'll cut until the show starts. And they're back. Oh, sorry, the camera froze. I have to keep zooming in and out. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Ding, ding, ding. Round 2 goes to Kirsch. We should keep playing for round 3. Oh, look at her go. Oh, they're going again. Let's get a close up. Oh. Oh, okay. Get him, Issa. Oh. All right. Take a break. Hey, that's an illegal move. What are you doing? The camera's so shaky. Okay. Let's keep looking. Come on, we need to get this round 3 started. Alright, we're going to take a break until the action starts back. Do you like squeaky toys? If so, come on down to Squeaky Toytopia. Now let's get back to the show. Alright, nothing's happening yet. Hear these wind chimes. Oh, now they don't want to go. Wow, they actually sound really cool. Alright, let's continue. Hey, no illegal moves. No illegal moves. No illegal moves. I thought I said that. Alright. Okay, go. Got it nice and zoomed in. Oh, Kirsch looks like he's going to plan a sneak attack. Oh, there they go. And they're off. Hey, I said no illegal moves. Oh, one. Oh, she got right back up. Wait. She's eating a rock. It's a drop it. Drop it. Hold on, let me pause. And we're back. Hey, I see you trying to do an illegal move. Stop with the illegal moves. Oh, it looks like she's walking away. Alright, that's it, y'all. That's it for Doggy World Star Part 3.